Hey, what's up YouTube family? I'm back with another video again. This one is very niche, but it's very easy to put out relatively. So if someone else is looking for a solution to this, hopefully this helps. So this video is in reference to the error 016 code that happens on Roku Insignia TVs. So full disclosure, I don't know if this will actually work for others, but this worked for me. First, some background. I have had 2 brief power outages back to back each weekend. After the second power outage, every time I would try to launch Netflix or any service for that matter, I would get that error 016 code. However, I could just click on proceed and it would work normally. But every single time I opened an app, that stupid box would pop up. I tried nearly everything. Turned it on, turned it off, unplugged it, held down the power button, created a new connection. I even got a new router for crying out loud. None of that worked. Until finally, I put together a PC and decided to use the TV as a monitor. I switched it over to one of the HDMI ports and left it there for about 2 days. Now at this time I was ready to throw this thing away and I had already ordered another TV on Amazon. Fortunately, it was supposed to be delivered in 2 to 4 weeks, so I figured I could still cancel, which I did. Now after having it on the HDMI port for 2 days, I decided to watch TV again, and lo and behold, no more stupid error message. If you've had the same problem, give it a try and let me know how it works. Hope this helps. Have a good one.